In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice template in Xero in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and keep this simple and straightforward. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Xero accounting software website. Once you're there, look for the login button, go ahead and give that a click. You'll be directed to a page where you must enter your email and password associated with your Xero account. Make sure everything is entered correctly, then click on the login button to proceed. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your home base within Xero, where you'll start the journey of creating your custom invoice template. Next, locate your company name. It's usually at the top or side of the page. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From the options presented, select Settings. You'll now be on the Settings page, filled with various options for managing your account. What you want to do next is click on Invoice Settings. This is where you can tailor the invoicing aspect of your Xero account to better fit your business needs. Now you should see an option related to the new branding theme. Click on that drop down and then select Custom DocX. You're creating a template, so it's essential that we name it for easy reference. Choose something that stands out to you and reflects the purpose of the template. After naming your template, confirm by hitting the OK button. Now that you have a named template, scroll down on the same page to locate it. There should be a download option beside your template. Click on this to download the docx file to your computer. Open the downloaded document in Microsoft Word. This is where you can fully unleash your creativity and customize the layout, fonts, and any specific elements that align with your brand identity. Want to give it a try? Adjust things like the logo position, the font style, or the layout of the invoice details to make it uniquely yours. Once satisfied with your design, save your changes and return to Xero. It's time to upload this freshly customized template into the system. Look for an upload button within the invoice settings section, click upload, then browse to locate your edited docx file. Select it and finalize by clicking upload again. Congratulations! Your custom invoice template is now part of your Xero account, ready to be used whenever you need to send out invoices. It's as simple as that. With these steps, you can now create a professional look for your invoices, ensuring that your business communications perfectly reflect your brand. Thanks for tuning in, and go on and give that invoice a personalized touch.